In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for one-handed shortcut. If you can't find it, select Add at the bottom. Look for it here and add it by clicking on it and tapping on Done at the bottom right corner. Then click on it here. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to change placement of your tiny screen, use this icon on the left of one-handed mode or on the right. To go back, click on this X above this icon. You can also go back by tapping on one-handed shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!